Hey everybody, it's Jeff with ID10T Garage, and in this video I'm basically going to give you some footage of the Hot Rod Power Tour. As you can see in the background, I've got my long hauler plaque up there. Just wanted to give you guys some footage. I didn't get as much as I wanted to, but I figured I'd go ahead and let you see us rolling through the hills to Atlanta, to South Carolina, and there's some going to Rockingham and to Bristol. So that's basically what this is. And unfortunately, I ran out of memory and had some car problems and a few things along the way, so didn't quite get what I wanted. But now I have a better idea for year 3 of the Hot Rod Power Tour. So next year, hopefully my video footage will be much better. But enjoy, and we'll see you soon.